Hello Botswana, my name is Baphuting Nthobatsang. I'm 15 years old and today is my second audition for acting. So nervous like always, but please vote for me because I will not disappoint you. Thank you. Okay, my character is Dwayne. She's a skater and everything, and she's so pissed because like everyone is hating on her. She had an incident with some shopkeeper the other day. So here goes Dwayne. Hey. I'm like skating on the sidewalk and this guy turns out of his shop like he's Adolf Hitler or something and actually tries to push me off his pavement. Get a job, you punk, he said to me. I mean, who does he think he is? Get a job? He's the one who should get a job because you know what? He's going to need one and his lease comes due and his landlord kicks him out so that he can open a milk bar or something. I mean, really, this guy should spend some of his time doing something better, like checking his blood pressure or something. Because you know what? If he spent lots of his time worrying about skate punks, scaring off his precious customers, and more about not selling garbage in his store, it wouldn't be going down in the first place. I mean, this is the same guy who's written to call the cops and us the other week. I wish he'd call them. I mean, not that anyone would have come anyway. The cops are too busy rolling hot dogs and eating donuts to mess around with skate punks who might actually fight back. Skate punks, what's that about? Just because we skate doesn't mean we rebels. I have a merit average in school, I don't smoke or drink, and I've never ever cut class in my life. They don't like the way we dress, so they assume we're criminals or something. It's so not fair. You know, my dad has a picture of himself in the 60s with beads and long hair and stuff. He looks like a freak for days. He's so proud of it. They all are. You know, compared to them, we're actually normal. Okay, that's it.